Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In this video, I will show how to make free Minecraft server, 8GB RAM, 300% CPU, 30GB disk for free. So first, join my DC link in description and comment pin. In my DC you will get free server and free stuff, like MC setup, config mod, and more. Discord template and Discord bot, and more things. So join my Discord and come to Create Server channel and click on Create Server and put server name. And after that, go down and select Paper. Forge, Paper is for plugins and Forge is for mods. After that, select Location. There is only one location available. Yes, after that, click on Us, and to get panel link. Write panel link in chat, and to get username and pass use /panel and click on Login Info button. And you see your username and pass copy and log in to panel and panel link. You can get by writing panel link. After login to panel, wait for some time. You can see server is here. Click on Manage Server. You will see many options like paid server. You will get database, manage player, direct plugin install like ATERNOS. After that, mods download and network and subdomain also. And in user you can give access off. User server like ATERNOS start off restart file and all options stat up here. You can change version after changing version, go to setting and reinstall. After that, it will take some time in account. You can change email and password. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. And like this video and join my Discord. If you want any help and if you want to join and try join. And IP is 104.234.220.122:26347. Bye bye, see you soon.